In this 60-second craft, we'll be making an organic bird feeder. These are a really nutritious treat for the birds in winter. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making present tags that can also be used as Christmas tree decorations. I'm using this one for a Christmas gift I made earlier. In this 60-second craft, we are going to be making resin coasters from old pottery we have found on our allotment. Make sure you wear a mask when using resin in a well-ventilated area. Use a UV light to dry your resin or leave in the sun to dry naturally. Here's two I made earlier that I'm going to use as gifts for the office girls. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making cheap and easy tin Christmas lanterns. These are an easy way to add some sparkle to your home wall garden at night. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making a reindeer tree decoration. This is a really fun craft to do, especially with children. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making an easy Christmas wreath. This is a nice and simple thing to do if you go on a country walk. Just collect whatever takes your fancy, add a few bits of ribbon, and that's it. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making a Driftwood Christmas tree. This makes a really great Christmas gift or a lovely seasonal addition for your home. We'll be making a Decoupage gift box. Carry on until you've covered the whole box, then when dry, give another coat of Mod Podge. Here's one I made earlier. This one I made to carry all my seeds at my allotment. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making a popcorn and fruit bird feeder. These make a great treat for the birds in the winter. If you haven't got any fruit to hand, why not just use popcorn? In this 60-second craft, we'll be making chocolate festive Christmas treats. Once you've finished, put them in the fridge to cool for about 15 minutes. These are an easy treat to make during the festive period. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making a festive table decoration. This is a simple and effective decoration for your Christmas table. In this 60-second craft, we'll be folding Christmas tree napkins. These add some festive cheer to your holiday table. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making festive Christmas marshmallow treats. Make 2 of these and then pop in the freezer for about 10 minutes. This is a fun and easy treat to make with children at Christmas. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making flavoured olive oil for your Christmas meats and fish. These flavoured oils make a lovely gift for your friends or family at Christmas. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making festive sweet jars. sweet jars make a great stocking filler. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making personalised seed packets. Personalise your packet of seeds with an illustration and instructions on how to plant them.
In this 60-second craft, we'll be making Christmas themed earrings. Handmade earrings would make a great gift for a friend or a loved one. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making homemade dog biscuits with only 3 ingredients. Fill a bowl with your mixture equal to the wholemeal flour. Cook in the oven on gas mark 4 until golden brown. These biscuits make a delicious and healthy treat for your dog. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making Christmas sugar cookies. Put them in the oven on gas mark 6 for 10 minutes. Delicious.
In this 60-second craft, we'll be making a Festive Swag. Continue tying your bunches of greenery until you reach the end of the rope. Swags look great draped over the fireplace. Add any other festive accessories to complete the look. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making Festive Santa logs. This makes a fun decoration for your home or garden. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making Festive Straws. making these at their Christmas parties. In this 60-second craft, we'll be making Decoupage bottle lights. I love the way these bottles are so effective in the dark. We hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for liking and subscribing.